Hi, I'm Maritza, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you the December 2022 Teacher Care Crate and all the goodies that are inside for this month's theme. The first thing that you will find as soon as you open your very own self-care crate is your info card. Your info card has all the information that you need and what's inside, including the theme for this month. This month's theme is the boho teacher, and it's all about the classroom is a better place with you in it. Doing what you love awakens the hearts of others, so it's so important to put yourself first, and being sure to take care of yourself should always be a top priority. Let's go ahead and dive right into this month's theme and what's inside. The first thing I have here is the art print for this month, and the art print for this month is by Violet Poppy Designs. It's You're Enough no matter what, and it has a little gnome design art to that. And on the back, it has some space for you to write on, or put some notes, anything that you need can go right behind this art print as well, even daily reminders. The next thing I have here is the top priorities post-it notes, and this is a really nice little post-it notepad for you to write all your priorities on here, keeping yourself a priority as well. The next thing I have here is the Lotus Dish. This is a beautiful emerald color with a little gold rim to it. Perfect to keep little accessories in here. The next thing I have here is a soy candle. It smells so beautiful. I'm gonna open it up so you can see what it looks like. It's such a beautiful scent. It smells very, very nice. And to go and pair this off with it, we also have in here a electric lighter. This electric lighter works very easy, and it's the perfect pair to this candle. I'm gonna open it up so you can see what it looks like. And it has on here, it has a print on there that says educators light the way. It's very easy to use, and it's also rechargeable, which also comes in your self-care crate, a chargeable to this electric lighter. And all you have to do is press this button and it opens up and it lights there. Very easy to use and very handy. The next thing I have here is the gnome desk, the Dusk Gnome, and it has a little weight to it so you can sit on your desk, or it could even hang if you have a little Christmas tree or somewhere you'd like to hang it in your classroom. It also can be hung. Just a little reminder that you are phenomenal. The next thing I have here, and it is the last item, is the lanyard. The lanyard is this beautiful boho theme to it, and it is handmade, very, very sturdy, and it also detaches and attaches at the top, very easy to use and take off, and it has a ring and a clip at the end. Those are all of the items that will be in your December 2022 Teacher Care Crate. I'm going to go ahead and jump right over to the digital downloads and activities that you can find if you are a subscriber. The next thing I have here are some activities that are perfect for in the classroom or at home, and this is the holiday word search. Has a little design here, also comes in black and white. Also in a winter theme and a Christmas theme. So some different ones that you can pick from. This is an editable one. You can go on and download, and you can edit and include the words that you would like in there, make it more challenging or easier. And something else that you can include into your activities is writing cards, or if you would like to use them as something that you can put on a present, and you can edit these as well, and they come in this color. Those are all the digital downloads and activities that you can find, as well as wallpapers are included. So be sure to subscribe down below if you are not yet a member. Go ahead and click on the down in the description box below for those details, and be sure to subscribe so that you can get your very own December 2022 self-care crate right in your mail. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Click on the like button down below and subscribe down below as well. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye.